Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the most common ingredient called hyaluronic acid. I'm sure we all have heard hyaluronic acid whenever we have gone out to shop for our makeup or skincare products. Every person who has been trying to sell that product which has hyaluronic acid would always claim that this product is going to work for you, isn't it? I'm going to tell you all what is hyaluronic acid and how does it help us in our skincare or makeup products. Hyaluronic acid is something which is naturally present in our body. Most of the hyaluronic acid is present on our skin. Hyaluronic acid works as a humectant. Humectant means like a moisture magnet. So it is something which is going to attract the moisture from the atmosphere, from your surrounding, and it is going to make sure that your skin is nice and plump and supple. So by the time we age or by the time we are exposed to too much of pollution, too much of environmental damage, we lose out the hyaluronic acid from our skin, and that's when we start seeing our skin going drier. So when your body is naturally unable to produce hyaluronic acid, that's one of the reasons why you end up having dryness on your skin. It could be your face, it could be your body, it could be your dry eyes, it could be dry scalp. There could be multiple places where you may lose the hyaluronic acid from your skin. So most of the skincare product has hyaluronic acid because it is super safe ingredient. It is something which is least allergic to the body because you already have that in your body. So that's why most of the skincare focuses on hyaluronic acid as a major part of an ingredient to moisturize your skin especially. So if I have to talk about if any product which you're going to go and pick with which will have hyaluronic acid is going to hold on to the moisture 1,000 times its actual weight. So we often come across where like for example Clinique Moisture Surge claims to have 72 hours of hydration. Estee Lauder Day Moisturizer has 24 hours of hydration. Neutrogena also has 72 hours of hydration. L'Oreal also has some products which says like a long period of hydration for your skin type. They could only claim this because they have certain amount of hyaluronic acid in your product. So once you apply the product will attract the moisture around you and will keep your skin hydrated for this long period. Hyaluronic acids are found in your serums, like your Estee Lauder Advanced Nitropes Serum is one of the big example for that, or any skincare serum you will go for will always have hyaluronic acid. Your moisturizers will have hyaluronic acid. Your eye creams will have hyaluronic acid. Your intensive hair mask and everything else would have hyaluronic acid, even your body creams. So if you come across this word hyaluronic acid, don't be so scared. It is something which is naturally present in your body. It is a component which is going to enhance your body's natural ability to hold the moisture. So if anything claims to have the amazing hyaluronic acid in their product, go ahead, try it. I'm sure it's going to help you. If you have hyaluronic acid in your product, it is going to help you overcome any kind of dryness. It would add good hydration to your skin and moisturizing as well. It is also going to work as an anti-aging product. As it is curing dryness, it would reduce the appearance of your lines and wrinkles. So even your anti-aging products would have hyaluronic acid in it. Also, there are certain fruits, vegetables where you find good content of hyaluronic acid which you can include in your everyday diet, which can help you in overall health of your skin. So you will find hyaluronic acid in potatoes, avocados, almonds, red wines, sweet potatoes. These are the few common examples, and I'm sure these food are something which we use it in a day-to-day food diets, and this also helps us in retaining the moisture for our skin. Also, hyaluronic acid is going to work as an antioxidant product. So what do I mean by antioxidant product? So when we are out there, we are surrounded by so many organisms, we are surrounded by so many molecules if I talk about science. So it basically tries to come and come up to your skin and take away the moisture or suck down the moisture or take away the glow from your skin. So that's when we use hyaluronic acid, or our body produces hyaluronic acid to protect ourselves from such things where we're going to lose out a skin texture. It means it will become rough, or we might end up getting too much of oil on our skin, or we might end up getting dryness or tired looking skin. So as it has antioxidant power, it is also going to be a natural protective layer for your skin. I hope this information fills in all the gaps for hyaluronic acid, and I hope this video helps you and guide you to choose the right product. Do check out my channel. I have a lot more topics which I've talked about when it comes to ingredients, and please subscribe to my channel if you wish to stay tuned to know more or to see more videos about the ingredients or your day-to-day skincare and makeup tips. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.